everyone. This is Georgia from the sunny Southwest with Creative Moments by G. We are so excited today. Today is the first day of our mini catalog going on sale. Have you heard about it? Stampin' Up! Has this event every spring. Oh my goodness. They come out with this catalog and it's 75 pages chocked full of crafting wonder. Oh my goodness. It's like visiting your fantasy world. Has every stamp you can imagine, paper to die for, punches that coordinate with the stamps. I'm telling you, it is a crafter's dream. But you know what? It doesn't stop there, right? Stampin' Up! Always finds a way to give you more. They brought in the Saleabration catalog. So when you order $50 from this mini catalog, right, which is not hard to do, I can tell you that, you get to select a free stamp. Now what happens if you spend more? Because don't tell anybody, but I sure did. You get to order a free item for every $50. So let's say you order $150. Well, now you've made it to tier 2. So you get to order one item for $100 that you spent, which is a little nicer. And you still get to order $50. A stamp for $50. I'm telling you, such a bargain. Do you want to see some of the items? Well, I'm so glad that we're live today so we could go on the very first day that it goes live. We're going to go live too. Let's head down to the table so I can show you some of the stamps that, of course, I've ordered. Okay? So, here we go. Here's our catalogs. Now, here's one, so sentimental. Isn't that wonderful? I can't thank you enough. Your friendship is a blessing. Wishing you happiness today and always. Yummylicious. Isn't that nice? Sending healing hugs. This calls for confetti. And then, of course, if you've been working with our videos that we've been putting on our YouTube site, we've done a lot of cards with this wonderful stamp set, Heartfelt. You're going to love it. Also, another one that I bought, Peaceful Moments. Look at this, thinking of you with all my heart. These are the moments we'll look back on with joy. Don't you just love these? They're just wonderful. Now, of course, everybody's going crazy over the painted poppies. These are dimension stamps. You see this? You stamp that and then you lightly stamp this and it gives it that watercolor effect. So beautiful, slightly abstract. We just know everybody's going to love this one. You also get... You can buy the die set, the painted labels die set, and this gives you some really terrific cutouts that you can use in coordination with this stamp set. Well, I mean, these are just a few of the stamps. I'm telling you, there's 75 pages of wonderful, wonderful stamps that you can purchase on. But you know something else I want to talk to you about? I want to talk to you about joining up and becoming a sunflower stamper. If you do it right now, look at one of the things you get free. You get this pack of 48 pages of the different papers that we have. It's a sampler. Look at that. Double-sided, 6x6. You get that free. Free. Look what else you get. You get this wonderful little chopper. Is that like the cutest thing? And it absolutely works. We'll cut the tiniest of slivers for your cards. Love, love, love this. And to join right now, it costs $99, but you get $125 worth of startup. You get to decide what you want. In addition to that, you get this little baby cutter. You get this little sampler packet, and you get another stamp set of your choice. Oh my goodness. That is wonderful. Just this is the time to join, and we would love to have you as a sunflower stamper. Well, let me head on over to the paper. I could not leave if I didn't show you the paper that we have. Look at this poppy paper. Is that not just beautiful? Look at those colors. So vivid. Oh my goodness. But that's not all, right? You flip it over and look at the colors on the back. Oh my goodness. Are they just beautiful? I love them. Look at that green. Oh my goodness. So, so pretty. Well, what do you think? Is this something that you'd be interested in? I just know you're going to love all these samples that I've shown you, these catalogs. So, so wonderful. You are going to love going through this. And you know what? You can head over to my website at Creative Moments by G, and you can click on Shop, and there's a spot for you to join, or you can just buy some items. You can just be one of my customers. I would love to have you for a customer and help you on your paper crafting journey. Oh, because that's what it's all about, right? We share what we love. So I hope you go out and have a fantastic day. Be creative in your crafting. Head over to the shop and let's do some shopping. I'll see you in the next video.